your weekly fix on finance and investing. This is the Korelin Economics Report.
There's one other stock that I want to talk about, Byron, that was brought to my attention at the show, stock that I followed years and years ago, but kind of lost touch with recently. You're also recommending it in your newsletter. This is Columbus Gold. Please share some details on why you like Columbus Gold so much.
Okay, well, Columbus Gold is two plays in one. They have a superb exploration package down in French Guiana in South America. And when we say French Guiana, it's not some South American banana republic dictatorship. It's France. I mean, it's a department in a region of France. So you are dealing legally, jurisdictionally in a developed European Union type of environment. It just happens to be in South America. French Guiana is, I joke about it, the original location of Devil's Island from the movie or the book Papillon. But it's also the home of the French, the European Space Agency rocket base at Kourou. So, I mean, French Guiana is filled with like rocket scientists and engineers, and they like clean water, they like safe streets, they like good roads. So it's a fairly developed, well-developed part of South America. At any rate, Columbus has a beautiful, beautiful Precambrian greenstone gold-infused package down there, and they've been working with a Russian company that's London listed called Nord Gold, which has numerous mines, sort of in the analog to this, over on the Gold Coast of West Africa. You know, plate tectonics came along and split Africa and South America. If you undo all of that plate tectonics, you put it all back together. This area in French Guiana is very similar to what we see across the Atlantic in West Africa. And so anyhow, so Nord Gold is very interested in what Columbus Gold has there. It's a great project, and there's a bit of a time deadline on it because by March 17th, Nord Gold has a feasibility study due to the Columbus people on the resource and development capabilities of this area. So I think there's a lot of upside just on that alone. Then the other aspect of Columbus, I said it's got two pieces to it. It's a Nevada play, sort of like south central Nevada, south of Reno, north of Las Vegas, near Tonopah. It's old historic gold mining country near the giant mine at Round Mountain, and they're working with a company called Cordex, which has been around for 40-some years. It's a privately owned company, but it's basically a smallish exploration company filled with the people who truly, literally discovered the old Carlin trend back in the 1960s. They wrote the book on Carlin-style gold geology in Nevada. Well, that's who Columbus is working with in Nevada. So Columbus offers two sets of opportunity. They've got a short-term 6-8 week time scope for this Nord Gold report, which is due out in mid to late March, and then they've got the Nevada upside as well, which you've got really good people working on this historically excellent gold mining, generally mining region in Nevada. So that's why I like Columbus Gold.
Byron, great comments as always. It's very enjoyable to hear some of the stocks that you're recommending in your newsletter with Jim Rickards. The newsletter is called The Gold Speculator. If anybody wants more information on that newsletter, please feel free to contact me directly and I can put you in touch with Byron and his team.
To find out more about today's guests, visit us on the web at www.kereport.com. You're listening to the Korelin Economics Report.